everyone, Jennifer here. Today I have a fun video for you. It is a Trader Joe's haul. I never do grocery hauls on my channel, but I love watching them on other people's channels. I just love knowing what people get at the grocery store. Even when I'm in line at the grocery store, I just like looking at what other people are buying. So it gives me ideas. I just like knowing what other people buy. So this is something new for my channel. If you like this grocery haul and you want to see more for me, let me know. So I show you what I buy at Trader Joe's, and then I actually make a few of the dishes and I show those to you as well. I actually did this last week or a week and a half ago. I'm just shooting the introduction for the video right now because I forgot to do it back then. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you'd like to see more grocery hauls from me. Okay, the lighting in the kitchen was terrible, so I brought everything out to the dining room. So this is what I got at Trader Joe's. And let's just get started. So I got some popsicles for the kids, these lime ones, which they love lime popsicles, and then these raspberry, lemon, and strawberry ones. I got some organic bananas, some flowers. I got some organic tomatoes. Are you okay, baby? Got some crumbled goat cheese. I like to put that in salads. And some red split lentils. These lentils are so good. I make them all the time. They're so cheap. They're like $1 or something. Really delicious. Let me know if you want to see a recipe with what I do with those. Butternut squash zigzags. We were out of coffee, and I don't normally get coffee at Trader Joe's, but I just got this small bag here. We got these sweet baby bell peppers to put in salads. We got some organic avocados to put in salads. A little personal watermelon. The baby wanted it immediately, so don't throw it, honey. The baby wanted the watermelon right away, so I cut it open for him. We got some blueberries here and some salmon. This is not big enough for the whole family. This will probably just be for me and my husband, maybe for lunch. And I actually got 4 of these, the penne arrabbiata. This is for the freezer, and the kids love it. It's a little bit spicy, but they really love it, so I always get 4 whenever I go to Trader Joe's. And that is it. Now, all of this was over $60, which just shocks me how expensive food can be, even Trader Joe's, which is so affordable usually. So anyway, that's what that will buy you. But I just wanted to show you, this is a bit of a filler haul. We already have a lot of the main stuff from Costco, but I like to get these things usually when I go to Trader Joe's. Okay, I'm back, and I wanted to show you the fruits of my labor. So I just cooked for about 45 minutes, and this is what I made. So I made that entire salmon just with some lemon juice, salt, and pepper. And I wish I had more lemons to slice on top, but I didn't. So that's just roasted. I made a salad, and the salad has lettuce, avocado, tomato, bell pepper, or you know, those sweet peppers, and goat cheese. I'll probably add a chopped apple to it as well. I steamed the butternut squash crinkles, and this is what my lentils look like. So I made the red lentils and I put toppings on it. I put this on top of the Ancient Grains rice that I got from Costco, and I made that a few days ago, so that was just leftovers. And then I topped it with celery, goat cheese, and some, what is that, tomato. So I'm going to be eating this for lunch, and I'm just leaving the rest of this out. So if my husband, he's not a big fan of lentils, so he could probably just chop up some salmon and put it on the salad. I won't put dressing on the salad. I'm just leaving this out. We'll probably have part of this for dinner. And that's what I like to do. I know I like to show you a lot of freezer meals, and I do use freezer meals. Probably once or twice a week I will pull out something from the freezer, but the rest of the time I do cook fresh. So I know a lot of people think I only do freezer cooking, but that's not true. So I just wanted to show you what I do is just prep a lot of things at lunchtime when I have a lot of energy, and then we'll usually just have that for dinner. So this is what I've made today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you'd like to see more of these. All right, thank you so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur. I'll see you soon. Bye.